Start.
Hi everyone. Now with the discovery of water on the moon came new hope for mankind's dream of inhabiting the moon. Moon presents many challenges for us, and like any challenge, it asks us to discover new means to overcome them. The absence of a breathable atmosphere and the resources for existence of a human being on the moon are some of the challenges that we face. However, with the advent of new technologies, humans are coming closer to developing sustainable systems for us humans to live and work there. Some recent missions like the Chandrayaan-1 had made such steps possible with the discovery of water on the moon. Now research is being done for the extraction of water from the lunar surface, that is the lunar dust, and it has been successfully demonstrated by Dr. Larry Clark, working in one of the major space contracting firms in the US. Also, research is being done for the extraction of oxygen from water. Now these are some steps that are enabling humans to live there. The purpose why mankind wishes to live there is for setting up systems like researching basically the basic task, the basic elements that make up our Earth. In fact, a lunar base could provide us an excellent site for any kind of observatory that would be not facing, that wouldn't face any troubles that it faces from the diffraction through the atmosphere that it faces on Earth. Also, power generation can be set up on the moon. It can be done through solar energy, right? So these are some of the reasons why mankind is looking forward to staying and working there on the moon. Thank you.
This is better. Let's just